Hello, Namaste students. In this video of altitudes and medians of triangle. Students, today we are going to study what is the meaning of altitude and what is the meaning of median of a triangle. Now, in this figure, you can see there are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. First of all, we are going to study about altitudes of triangle. Students, do you know altitude? Altitude means perpendicular height. The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. So, in this figure, A, point B and point C. These are the three vertices of the triangle. Do you understand? Point A, point B and point C. These are the three vertices of a triangle. Now we want to draw altitude of this triangle. So what will we do? We will draw a perpendicular from A, okay, and which is the opposite side to this vertex A. Opposite side to this vertex A is side BC. So let us draw a perpendicular from point A on the side BC. Now you know these are the set squares. This is the first set square, and you know this, what is this? This is right angle triangle, means 90 degree. So you can draw a perpendicular by using this set square because this angle is 90 degree. Also you can use one more set square. This is one more set square. In this set square, this angle is 90 degree. So you can use any one from these set squares. Now see, here this is our set square. This angle is 90 degree. We want to draw a perpendicular from A on this side BC. So what shall we do now? See, this is important step. This side of this set square, this side, we will slide म्हणजे सरकवणे. We will slide this side of set square on side BC, and we will match, this match means coincide, we will match this side on side BC, and we will coincide this side, to point A. How can we do this? See, first of all, we match this side with side BC, and now we can slide म्हणजे सरकवणे. We can slide. See, yes, now it is perfectly matched. Can you see this set square, this side, these two sides of set square which make a right angle with each other. Now this side matches with the base BC. BC is the side, and this side matches with vertex A. Now we will draw a perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. We can dark this perpendicular like this. Do you understand? Now what is the measure of this angle? You can say yes, it is 90 degree, means this is a right angle. So students, what we have done, with the help of this set square, we have drawn a perpendicular from vertex A to side BC. या ठिकाणी विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला सेट स्क्वेअर कसा ठेवायचा हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. इफ यू कीप दिस सेट स्क्वेअर प्रॉपरली, देन it will be easy for you to draw a perpendicular. So don't make any mistake. In this way we have drawn an altitude. Remember, altitude means this is perpendicular height, and this altitude is with respect to base BC. If the base is BC, म्हणजे पाया काय घेतला आपण BC. If the base is BC, then the perpendicular drawn from vertex is this AP. So AP is the altitude. Do you understand? Now we will see one more example. This is triangle PQR. Okay, now you want to draw altitude. You want to draw altitude in this triangle, and you will take the base as QR. Suppose the base is QR. What can we do? You know, this is a set square. This is a right angle of this set square. So slide, you can slide this side of set square, it will match with QR. Do you understand? This side will match with QR, and this side it will match with point P. Look, is it right or wrong? Can you see? Right or wrong? Yes, it is right. So here keep this, and then I can draw this perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular. We can dark this perpendicular. Right? So this is the perpendicular drawn. This is the perpendicular drawn from point P on the side QR. So if we name it as H, so what can we say? When the base is QR, when the base is QR, this is the altitude. Do you understand? In this way we have seen how to draw altitude. Suppose any student says, sir, I want to draw one more altitude, but my base, I want to take the base as PQ. So how can we draw altitude? Look, this, we can slide this like this, and here. Is it right? See, this side of the set square, this side of the set square matches with PQ, and this side of set square matches with R. So it is very easy to draw a perpendicular. Understand? So this is also altitude. What is the measure of this angle? Definitely it is 90 degree. So if I say this point is I, this point is I, then what can we say? When the base is taken as PQ, when the base is taken as PQ, at that time the altitude is RI. Do you understand? You can draw one more altitude. Suppose if you want to take PR as base, then let us draw a perpendicular on PR from the vertex Q. See, match with PR, match this set square with PR, coincide this side of set square with Q, and now if you do it correctly, then you can draw with accuracy. Okay, now we have drawn this. If I name it as J, if I name it as J, then this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degrees. So QJ is the altitude when the base of the triangle is taken as PR. हे समझला है? When the base is QR, the altitude is PH. When the base is PR, altitude is QJ. When the base is taken as PQ, the altitude is Ri. In this way we have drawn three altitudes of this triangle. But one important thing, when we draw three altitudes, what can we say? The three altitudes, they meet each other in one point, this point, and this point is called as orthocenter. This point is called as orthocenter. So the point of concurrence of three altitudes is called as orthocenter of the triangle, and it is denoted by the letter O. So students, this concept is important. There may be a question, what is the meaning of orthocenter? Orthocenter is the point of concurrence of three altitudes of triangle. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण तीन अल्टिट्यूड्स काढतो ट्रायंगलच्या, तेव्हा आपोआप काय होतं, इफ वी ड्रॉ द थ्री अल्टिट्यूड्स करेक्टली विथ ॲक्युरसी, देन ऑल द थ्री अल्टिट्यूड्स they meet each other at one point, and this point is called as orthocenter, and it is denoted by O. So is it clear to you? So students, you have seen this was acute angle triangle, triangle PQR. This was acute angle triangle, means every angle was having the measure less than 90 degree. In the acute angle triangle, where is the orthocenter? The orthocenter is in the interior of the triangle. Once again see, in the acute angle triangle, where is the orthocenter? What is the location of the orthocenter? It is in the interior of the triangle. Okay, now we will see this second triangle. This second triangle, we name it as triangle X, Y and Z, and this is a right angle triangle, so this angle is 90 degree. Now when we take YZ, then XY is the altitude, because altitude is perpendicular to this base, so YZ and XY, they are perpendicular to each other. So this, we can say, this is also altitude, this is also altitude. When the base is XY, the altitude is ZY. Okay, so these are two altitudes. Now we will draw one more altitude. So we want to draw a perpendicular from Y to side C. We can draw a perpendicular. See, this, say the side of this set square, it matches with XZ, and this is point Y. So if we draw this altitude, then what can we say? This is also right angle triangle. So XY is perpendicular to YZ, so XY is altitude. When we say YZ, YZ is perpendicular to XY, so YZ is also altitude. Now this, if we name it as F, if we name it as F, then YF is perpendicular to XZ, so this is also altitude. So all these three altitudes, they are concurrent and they meet each other at point O. So what can we say? Y is the orthocenter. Y is the orthocenter of this right angle triangle. So remember, in the right angle triangle, the orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex of the right angle. Understand? The orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex of the right angle. Do you understand? In this way we have seen the location or the place of orthocenter in acute angle triangle, in right angle triangle. Now we will see the location of orthocenter in obtuse angle triangle. Now see, here this is point L, this is point M, and this is point N. What can we say? This angle, definitely by observation you can say this angle is greater than 90 degree. So this is obtuse angle triangle. What is this? Obtuse angle triangle. Now we want to draw perpendicular. When we want to draw perpendicular from L on this side M, then we have to extend this mn. We extend this mn, and here we have extended this mn. Do you see this dotted line? Extension of mn, and then we draw a perpendicular. See, we have drawn this perpendicular from point L, on mn, extended mn. So this point, this is the point, so this is right angle, and this L point, the altitude starts from L, and if we name as S, if we name this point as S, then LS. What is this? LS is perpendicular to this base. So this is this point T, LT. LT is the altitude of this triangle when we consider base as M. हे समजलंय का? LT हा परपेंडिक्युलर आहे एक्सटेंडेड MN ला, म्हणून when the base is taken as MN, LT is the altitude, and we have extended this altitude. Now here we have drawn one more perpendicular. Suppose this is point U. We draw perpendicular from M to side LN. In this way we have drawn this perpendicular. See, this side matches with LN and this side matches with M. So this is a perpendicular. This angle is right angle. This angle is right angle. We will extend this altitude. आपण ती अल्टिट्यूड एक्सटेंड केली. ॲक्च्युली अल्टिट्यूड कोणती आहे? MU. MU अल्टिट्यूड केव्हा आहे? जेव्हा बेस LN आहे तेव्हा MU अल्टिट्यूड आहे. मग ती अल्टिट्यूड आपण एक्सटेंड केली. आता now we want to draw one more altitude. We have drawn two altitudes. LT is altitude, MU is also altitude. Now from N we want to draw altitude on side LM, but we have to extend this LM. Now see, this is the extended part of LM. This is LM, and this is the extended part, dotted line, extended part. Now we will draw altitude. See, with the help of set square we have drawn this altitude. This side of set square matches with LM, this side coincides with L, this, and we have drawn this altitude. So this angle is 90 degree. Do you understand? And this part, this is extension of altitude. Extension of altitude. So these, which are the three altitudes now? LT is first altitude, MU is second altitude, and NS, here we can name it as, suppose this is P. NP is altitude, and this part, this is extended part of altitude. And these three altitudes, do you see these three altitudes? They meet in point S. Okay, so S, what is S? S is the orthocenter, means point of concurrence of three altitudes of this obtuse angle triangle. So what can we say? Where is the orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle? The location of orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle is in the exterior of the triangle. Exterior म्हणजे ह्या ट्रायंगलच्या बाहेर. Orthocenter, where is the orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle? In the exterior of this triangle. म्हणजे पुन्हा एकदा लक्षात घ्या, acute angle triangleचं ऑर्थोसेंटर कुठे असतो? इन द इंटिरियर ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलचा ऑर्थोसेंटर कुठे असतो? ॲट द वर्टेक्स ऑफ द राईट अँगल. आणि ऑब्च्यूस अँगल ट्रायंगलचा ऑर्थोसेंटर कुठे असतो? आउटसाइड द ट्रायंगल. ह्या ट्रायंगलच्या बाहेर येतो हा ऑर्थोसेंटर, म्हणजेच इन द एक्सटिरियर ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. इन दिस वे वी हॅव सीन द लोकेशन ऑफ अल्टिट्यूड्स ऑफ 3 triangles. Okay. So students, today we have studied about altitudes of triangle. In the next video, we will study about medians of triangle. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy learning mathematics. Bye.